Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Wolf and today we are doing an unboxing. I recently ordered a new case for my computer. I want to show it off to you guys. I'll put a link in the description to where I got this case. I got it off in Newegg actually when it was on sale. Price it regularly goes for is around $49. I got it for $39 because it was on sale. Enough talking, let's get to the actual unboxing. So I probably open this upside down. Yeah. Okay. Don't need to see the box. Done. Okay, guys. This is it. Yes, it's packed with some of that good type of foam and that styrofoam, so you can expect the package to reach safely and soundly. Okay. This bag come out. Okay, there it is, guys. The Summer Z3 ATX PC case has a tempered glass side panel, so you can see all the components on the inside. Comes with a single 180mm RGB fan. What's this? A removable dust filter at the top. Comes with front panel headphone and mic jack, 2 USB 2.0, 1 USB 3.0, power reset. Yes, and it has spacious vents on the front, so you can get good airflow. Let's see the back. Yeah, power supply cut out at the bottom here. Now let's look on the inside. Okay. Now they always say to store the glass back in the box that you got everything from. Don't need to start. Okay. Okay. Now we're on the inside. Now we can see how things are. You get this little pamphlet inside, showing you the configurations that it can be in, and a little letter about dear customers, thank you for purchasing our computer case. I'm gonna read the whole of that. Okay, up over there. Now let's see. Okay, unfortunately the fan is a voltage control fan, not a PWM, or you could either connect it to your power supply directly. That means the RGB is not adjustable, so you can install SSDs here, right here. You have ample space for fans at the front. Now let's look at this side. Whoa. Ugh. Screw that tight. That's what she said. Okay. Next, you can see, yes, this is the back side of the case. You can see all the cables like front USB 3.0, front panel connectors like USB front panel audio, and screws and tie straps that comes with the case, standoffs, stuff like that. The standoffs are not pre-installed. Oh yes, they are. Sorry about that. Yes, they are pre-installed for the ATX configuration. So you have one hard drive bay at the bottom, ample space for power supply, about just a regular power supply, nothing too long, else it won't be able to fit unless you remove this single hard drive tray. Okay, and that's it. I will be uploading, well, at the end of this video after the unboxing, I will put a complete view of the system powered on in this case when I've transferred the parts, and that's it. Yeah, so as you can see, it has a kind of cheap mesh filter on the bottom, not magnetic like the one on the top, but what you expect from a $39 case or $49 case as it normally goes for. It has these feet to raise it up so you can get some airflow from the base of the case, and it's like it got a bit damaged in shipping or when they were packaging it, but a quick press and the feet comes back up. Okay, next I'm going to peel the plastic of the tempered glass. Yeah, you guys didn't see this, but I took it back out of the box just to do the peel. Let's see. Yes, nothing like a perfect peel, and this glass is a double peel. Here it goes, another. Yes, ASMR PC building. Okay, now back to the rest of the video. This is how it looks. Everything finished. When I was building it, I could tell that it was a very cheap case, even more than just looking at it. As you can see, I have ketchup and mustard cables. No modular PSU for me. It's a Thermaltake Smart Power 500 watt. GPU is an AMD RX 570, 4 GB. CPU AMD Ryzen 2700, 16 gigabytes of T-Force DDR4, clocked at 3200 megahertz. I have a Crucial 512 gigabyte SSD and about four hard drives that I packed into the power supply basement, even though it was not made for 4 hard drives. And there is the RGB but not addressable RGB fan that was included, and it wasn't even PWM. I was so disappointed. But you get what you pay for. As I said, the link to this case will be in the description. Thank you guys for watching. This is Wolf. Look at that. That's good, great. Okay, bye. Like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. This has been Wolf.